The same Greek yogurt that we just put into a regular old linen napkin, just to drain.
Okay.
Took about an hour. So now the yogurt is nice and thick. I can get more flavor into the yogurt. So what I have here is about 3/4 of a cup of peeled seeded cucumber that I put in a Cuisinart, a food processor, with a clove of garlic.
Okay.
We mixed all that up. Now I'm going to squeeze that out and press it. I'm going to add that to the tzatziki, and then I'm going to use this liquid and I'll introduce that to get it to the consistency I want.
And Greek yogurt, you can get one of those big tubs.
Well, it's a good thing to have just as a staple in your fridge, so that you can make all these different things.
When can you start serving your children yogurt? At what age?
Usually around a year of age. You know, usually babies are either formula or breastfed for the first year, and then you can start introducing things that are more milk-based at that point. And at that point, yogurt is a great thing to introduce, whether you're introducing it plain, like eating yogurt from a spoon, or as Chef is showing us how to incorporate it into some other things that you're making.